Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save videos offline and watch them in YouTube Kids app. So if you're YouTube Kids or if you are using YouTube Kids for your children, you can actually save the video offline so that when you don't have any internet connection, you can still let your kids watch their favorite videos. So here I'm going to show you how you can download it first. So you can just find through the video that you want to download for your kids. For example, I'm going to download this videos right here, and you'll see there's this little this three button at the bottom of your videos of the video. You can just click on that three dots icon and there will be this option download video. So just tap on that download video and you can see the progress in here, and then let's just wait until the downloading process is done. Okay, so now when you are done downloading the video, this will be shown the arrow down. That means that the video has been downloaded, and to easily find the downloaded video, you can just click on this suitcase button. But then you need to ask Farhan for help downloading videos. You can see what you need to do to find the download. You can click on this lock icon at the bottom, then solve this math problem first, tap on submit, and there will be this download. Okay, you can click on this to find the download, and this is the downloaded video. To watch them, you can just tap on it, and just like that, this is the downloaded video and you are watching it. So that's all for me. That's how you can download save videos offline and watch them in YouTube Kids. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.